Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to run to advertise your event or any product, and also exclude people who have purchased. So my assumption here is you already know your way around um, Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't know anything about Facebook Ads Manager, I have a video that I'll leave in the link. You can go and watch that. So get yourself familiar. But today's we're going to talk about running, either advertising your product, your service, or just an event, but making sure you're not advertising to people who already bought. So what you're going to learn today is, how to advertise, how to exclude, and when you stick to the end of this video, you also learn why you need to exclude people that have bought from you, and if not, what that will do to your quality and to your quality of your Facebook ad, and the adverse results that might happen. So stick around and let's have fun. So who am I? My name is Patrick, and I'm a Facebook ads specialist. I run campaigns for businesses, online businesses and local businesses. I also do Google ads and Facebook and YouTube ads. So that's my little background about me. Okay, so when you're running a campaign like this, you're gonna have several objectives. So maybe it depends with your audience and where you're at. So you might either run a traffic campaign or just a straight up conversion campaign. And my assumption, as I said, is you've already set up your pixel and you are also building an audience of people who have already purchased from you. So you're gonna start with the conversions. Okay, you're gonna start with the conversion. You're gonna be sending people to a link to make a purchase. So we're assuming this is a retargeting campaign. Okay. So what you need to do is you're gonna go through. So you're gonna say, so you selected it's gonna be conversion. You're gonna give it a name here. I'm not gonna go and type in any name here. And if you want, you can go ahead and split test. I'll have a video about split testing, but I do not have I've not created one yet, so that'll be in the future. And you can also do CBO, campaign budget optimization. So if you're gonna be running multiple ad sets, you can just set one budget, okay, and Facebook will optimize towards the ad set that is doing better, okay. So they're gonna test it for a couple of days, and when one ad set is converting better than others, most of the budget will be channeled towards that campaign, okay. Then you're gonna go to your creatives, okay. I always suggest you use video, okay. You use a video or a very catchy image. Make sure you stay within Facebook terms of service, and be a good citizen to the to the platform, so your ad gets approved. Okay, and here is where you're gonna choose your conversion. Okay, so some you see they are red and stuff, but it can be. So it depends what you're optimizing for. It can be a lead, or it can be just someone claiming a coupon. Okay. Then you're going to go to your offer, right? You're going to go to your offer, and here is what, you want people to to take so let's say you have coupons, you're gonna turn this on, okay, and you're gonna load up your coupons and stuff like that, okay. All right, so the main thing that I really want to talk today is here under the audience, okay. So let's say you already have, you've been advertising and people have made purchases from you, but you don't want to go back and advertise to them again for the same product. Okay. So what you need to do is you're gonna go back, you're gonna come here, all right? You're gonna come here. You're gonna come here, you're gonna hit exclude. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to exclude the audience that, let's say, so you're optimizing for purchase and you're building an audience of people who hit your thank you page. So you're gonna come here and pick that audience, right? So I'm just gonna pick any of the audiences that I have here, just for example, right? And you'll see. Okay, so this audience, assuming that, let's say this is the audience that hit my thank you page, they will be excluded. They won't be seeing this ad. Then I can go ahead, okay, and do my targeting as usual, right? Depends with your, what you're advertising. So let's say you're advertising for small businesses. I like to you're advertising to you're targeting small businesses, so I like to go to like 25. Okay, then I'll say, both genders, small business owners, small business owners, that's their behavior, and if they're like retail and stuff like that, maybe people who like companies like Square, the payment processing company, right? So Square company, you can add that. So you're targeting. If you don't know you're targeting, watch my video around targeting. I have a detailed video on how to go about doing your targeting. Okay. Then you're gonna select your placement and everything. Then you're gonna go to your budget. You're gonna select your budget. Then you're gonna go to your identity, which basically is your page, your business page. Okay. Then after that, you're going to create you're gonna do your creatives. Sorry guys, my computer is my internet is a little bit slow, but let's say for me, I'll go to my page here. Okay, I'll go to one of my pages, which is this one. This is my page where I help small businesses with their free marketing help that I teach online. Then you're gonna create either a video or carousel, depending with your business and product and things that you want to test. And another thing you can do, instant experience. So think this as a landing page, and some of the things that you want, you might consider using instant experience is, let's say you have a landing page, but the load speed is really, really slow, and usually slow load speed affects how much you are paying per click or per acquisition, because not many people will stick around for a page to load more than 3 seconds. Unfortunately, these days we have very short attention span. People just want instant gratification. If something does not open quickly, they leave. Okay. Then here you can see how everything looks. Okay. Make sure. So how your ad will appear on all these placements. Okay. And here you can have a destination URL. So this it can be where they'll be paying for, let's say, your ticket, or your I don't know, if you're a dog groomer, here's where they're gonna be paying for the service. Okay. Then of course you're gonna pick the language. So it depends where you're advertising. If your audience is Spanish speaking, select Spanish. If your audience is mixed, maybe just select English, because most people speak or at least understand English. Or if your audience is just predominantly English speaking, select English. Okay. And here is where you're going to have all your tracking. So make sure you have your pixels ready and everything. And if you have some offline events set up, here's where you're gonna enable them. Okay. So of course it's saying that they found an error, but it's because I haven't filled out anything. I was just walking through this. But one thing now I want to tell you, why do you need to exclude these people? You need to exclude these people because, first of all, no one wants to keep seeing the same ad over and over and over again. Okay. No one wants to see that. Second, your cost per acquisition is going to go up because you're going to be reaching people who might click on your ad, but they won't take any action because they've already done so. Okay. So your cost per acquisition will go up. Okay. Then the third thing is you are messing with your goodwill. People just don't want to be asked same thing over and over. But the fourth thing that is very important is people can click on the right hand side. There's like, when you see an ad, there's like 3 dots on the right hand side, and they can complain to Facebook, or they can say hide this ad. And when that happens, it tells Facebook that your ad is of low quality, and hence you are going to be paying a lot of money for it. Okay. So try always, when you are running this conversion, retargeting ads, trying to exclude people who have taken the action that you wanted them to take. So that's why you need, to get your pixels set up properly, and all the conversion events have been set up properly, and that you'll get a good return. So now that you know how to do this, I want you to go and check out my video on how to set up your audiences. So you'll know how to exclude and include different audiences. Thank you, and see you in the next video.